In this video we will find the derivative of an implicit function, which is x square plus y square equals square root of xy. So first we will apply derivative on both sides. So we have d by dx of x square plus y square equals d by dx of square root of xy. Now here we will apply derivative on both the terms. So we have d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square equals d by dx of square root of xy. We know that the derivative of square root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x. So here we can apply this formula, but we can see that we have xy in place of this x. So we must have a single variable in this square root. So suppose let z is equal to xy. So we have square root of z. But again we cannot differentiate square root of z with respect to x. We must have dz over here in order to differentiate square root of z. And similarly, in order to differentiate y square, we must have dy over here. So we will apply chain rule. So we have d by dx of x square plus d by dy of y square multiplied by dy by dx. Now we can differentiate y square with respect to y by using this formula, which is d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1, which is the power rule of differentiation. And here we can write d by dz of square root of z multiplied by dz by dx. Now we can differentiate y square and square root of z. And first we will take the derivative of x square, which is 2x, by this formula, and then square root derivative of y square is 2y, and then derivative of square root of z by using this formula is 1 upon 2 square root of z. And here we will put the value of z, which is xy. And now we will apply the product rule of differentiation. So first we will write 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2. In place of z we will put xy, and here we will apply the product rule of differentiation, which is d by dx of uv equals u times derivative of v plus v times derivative of u. Now suppose this x is u and this y is v. So we will put the values of u and v in this formula. So we have x times derivative of y plus y times derivative of x. Now again we will write the same thing. Dy by dx. Now the derivative of x is 1, so we will write 1 over here. And y times 1 is y. Now we will expand this bracket. So this thing multiplied by this thing is x upon 2 square root of xy dy by dx. Then plus y upon 2 times the square root of xy. Now we can take this thing on the other side of equation. So we have 2y dy by dx minus x upon 2 square root of xy dy by dx, and then we will take 2x on the other side. So we have minus 2x plus y upon 2 square root of xy, square root of xy. Now here we can take dy by dx common. So we have 2y minus x upon 2 square root of xy multiply by dy by dx, and here we will take minus sign common. So we have 2x minus y upon 2 square root of xy. Now after some simplification we will multiply this thing by this. So we have 4y square root of xy minus x upon 2 square root of xy. And here this multiply by this. So we have 4x square root of xy minus y upon 2 square root of xy. And now we can cancel this 2 square root of x with this 2 square root of x and take this factor on the other side. So it will become minus 4x multiply by square root of xy minus y upon 4y square root of xy minus x. So this is the derivative of the above implicit